Hey guys, Scorp here, and welcome back to part 2 of this challenge. This is going to be extremely easy. This chapter, I don't even need to waste a bullet at all. I don't know what I'm thinking. Why am I skipping herbs? I will definitely need those to heal myself in the journey, because avoiding enemies in this game is pretty difficult. Alright, first thing I say about this place right here, this place is super easy to avoid. Also, I won't just be doing weapon challenges. I'll be also be doing the random ones or character ones. I don't know. Some might be possible. Some might be really impossible. Right. Okay, let me hop over. Also, I'll be doing 6 parts today. I'll also be doing the whole village area, and then Monday I'll be doing the entire, I don't know, the entire castle, and then Wednesday I'll be doing the whole island. Grab those, grab this. Okay, let me go ahead and sell this. Okay, thank you, merchant. Okay, don't sell that. Sell that. Don't sell that. No, they stay. And then sell. Repair. Upgrade. Okay, perfect. No, don't do that. Okay, trade. And then trade that. Okay. But that. 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 And that. Perfect. Alright. Now let's get this going. Anyways. You see, I fully upgraded my handgun instantly. I really wanted to upgrade my primal knife so it would be unbreakable. See, my handgun's almost 600 bullets, or maybe it already is. I can't tell. This chapter's pretty easy. Let me just go. Oh, you know what? Let's just. Why not grab this yellow herb? Oh my god, what are you doing, Leon? Oh my god. Okay, let me grab that. Perfect. Anyways, I may rage during these playthroughs because this game's really difficult to play. Alright. I'm just gonna be going all the way up there for that. No. I don't want to deal with you guys. And like I said earlier, I will not be wasting a single bullet. I'll also not grab some of these because I already know some of them will not be handgun bullets. There's definitely handgun bullets inside there. Okay, I swear to god, if one of those dynamites get to me, I will cry. Oh no. Oh! Okay. Never mind. It's all fine. Okay. No, why not break this? Grab that. Grab that. Perfect. Let's just get down here. No. Okay. Grab that. That is not handgun bullets. And I'm kind of disappointed. Flashbang. Right? Flashbang. Yes, flashbang. Okay. By the way, this chapter's very fast to do. So let's go ahead and get all the way to the next area. Okay. What's up? Nope. Okay, she didn't kill me. Perfect. Okay, how many gunpowder? Nope, I do not have any, so I don't need merchant. Okay, so you need 5 gunpowders in order to make more handgun bullets with resource L's or resource SS. I don't know. I can't tell the difference. Come on. Perfect. Alright, there's gonna be handgun bullets here, so I'm gonna grab this. Just grab the sapphire, this might as well. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright. Where are these ones? I couldn't tell. I didn't get the right read. Nope, I'm not doing any autos. I might need green herb. No, actually, yeah, I will. I'll need green herb. Because it's gonna be red herb, so I want to combine those. Okay, green herb, you're coming with me. Alright. Oh my god, I hate these enemies. Alright, the only scary thing here is just gonna be Dr. Salvador. I don't need to worry about him though. Let's just get to the cheese house. Alright. Okay, I got velvet blue. I don't think I'm gonna need that. Okay, I can sell that. Alright, pooping guy won't be an issue. Okay, got that. I don't need that. Handgun bullets, right? Okay, now this could be annoying. Knives are everywhere. Okay, hand grenade. Wait, do I have? Okay, yeah, I got two. Okay, let's do leaf, cows, and child. Perfect. Grab that. Go upstairs. And trigger him. Boom. Alright, red herb's up there, so I can combine that with the green herb. Grab that. Okay, go up here. Guys. And then this goes with this. Okay. Okay, first try. Okay, handgun and ammo. Insignia key. Okay. Okay, anyways guys, I'll see you in chapter 3.